Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and look who I have with me, my best friend. She's Bhavya and 11th 12th में Bhavya
रुक जाओ
बताएंगे
एक सेकंड बाल दे कैंसिल कर
मैं तो डालूंगी this is
this
unfiltered.
is not going up
This is going
sorry
up.
this is not going up रुक जाओ पूरी घंटे
It's okay, but my vlogs are very unfiltered. I don't cut stuff. You guys
you
also
will
know.
have to cut this short
ओके गाइस, तो हम दोनों 11th और 12th में बहुत अच्छे दोस्त थे, हैं और रहेंगे. बट हम लोग मिले थे 11th के स्टार्टिंग में जब मैं प्रज्ञा में गई थी और हमारी फ्रेंडशिप हुई थी जब मैंने नदी बनाई थी, वो भी पेंसिल कलर से. और क्या हुआ था,
और मुझे इसकी हेल्प चाहिए थी, इसने मुझे नदी बना के दी. उसके बाद हमारी रोज गुड मॉर्निंग शुरू हुई एंड देन रेस्ट इज हिस्ट्री.
तो इसलिए हम लोग बहुत अच्छे दोस्त मिल गए. और मैं इससे 7 मंथ बाद मिल रही हूँ. आफ्टर जून 23rd ऑफ जून वॉज द लास्ट डे. वो भी हम लोगों ने बस एक दूसरे को देखा था, बाकी हम लोग प्रॉपरली सिर्फ मार्च में मिले थे. वो भी कब 13th मार्च को हम लोग लास्ट मिले थे. 13th मार्च नहीं 8th ऑफ मार्च. राइट. तो हम लोग लास्ट तब मिले थे. उसके बाद हम मिल रहे, कितना टाइम हो गया. Guys, so me and Bhavya are going to the mall. Hello. And we are going to C21, right?
Yeah, we're going to
Yeah, and then we'll go to some cafe probably, and then we'll vlog the whole thing and we'll show you guys all the fun that we did. Bhavya, how do you feel after meeting me after so long?
I am so happy. I'm so happy. I just missed her so much, and yeah, I just can't. wait to
Yeah,
spend these days.
it's been like more than a year because we had our boards going on, so we couldn't meet and couldn't talk that much, and we stopped going to the school also. So
And like there were things happening, and we just couldn't meet.
my grandfather was also not well, so I couldn't meet her as we used to. So
Oh, finally.
What my outfit of the day is, and this is what is Bhavya wearing. She's wearing a lavender sweater. We both are looking so aesthetic and we are proud to look. So yeah, we'll catch you guys. Bye. Okay guys, so here we go. Guys, so we are here and this is what the Christmas decoration looks like. It's pretty cool. I'm feeling this time that I am in a mall, so like, hi Bhavya. Are you planning to shop something?
Yeah, we're looking for something.
Christmas shopping.
Yeah.
Guys, we are going at
Terrace.
I was about to say at the terrace and I was like, no, I'm saying something stupid. It's so hot right here. Now it feels very much ujala. Amar ujala. Hi Bhavya. We had a welcoming person sitting on the wall to welcome us. और भव्या ने लाइट ऑफ कर दी है.
Oh, sorry.
Wow guys, so Bhavya ये
On
कहाँ
our
पे?
right we have Sri Maya.
Shri
Hotel.
Maya. Okay.
On our left we have, you can like see, if you zoom in you can see we have Sayaji there.
Where? I can't see Sayaji.
Hey, you can see Sayaji from here. Here, come here, come here.
Wait.
See, here.
Yes, I can
That
see
building is
Sayaji.
Sayaji. You zoom in.
This building is Sayaji, guys.
That red one thing. That's Sayaji.
And then what else we
This
have?
side we have Gurdwara.
Oh,
You
okay.
can see
I can see the moon and a star. Wow.
And also
That's the shopper stop of Indore,
that's
guys.
like the mall there.
But I'm loving the view. Woo, woo.
See, because it's a tree.
Yeah.
That's good.
फ्लैशलाइट चमका तू. हाय. हाँ. हाय. हाय. Guys, Just look at those stars. After a very very long time, I can see so many stars. in the
Can we avoid this
sky.
scary voice?
Wow, I'm loving the view. Yeah, yeah, yeah. भव्या, हम दोनों साथ में गिरेंगे. And the view is amazing. It's what?
We've just woken up at 6:30 in the morning, guys.
Guys,
Running around.
it's 6 hours late. It's almost 12 o'clock and she's saying that we have woke up at 6. Oh god. वहाँ गेहूँ रखा है guys, गेहूँ. Can you stop hiding your face, Bhavya? The vlog is about you. आशीर्वाद.